Do you begin in a friendly way with people? Probably not. All of us are under the pressure, under the gun. Technology is speeding everything up. Business is getting harder. Everything is more complex. We are stressed, and it's showing here. So when we walk up to people, what's on our face may look very, very serious face, could even look angry to others. And we might want their cooperation. We might need their help. We turn up looking like Mr. Angry or Ms. Angry. Instead, begin in a friendly way. Don't think about getting straight into the numbers or straight into the project update or get to the meat of whatever's going on in the business. Begin in a friendly way. Ask maybe how they're doing. Engage them a little bit of conversation about their life, their world, and let them talk. And then gradually, you can move the conversation around to the topic that you really want to know about. But you begin in a friendly way with that person. They feel relaxed. They feel good about themselves. They feel good about you. You're building the rapport. You're building the trust. There's all good things that happen. Turning up when you're harassed, when you're in a hurry, time is money. Come on, we've got to go here, get to the point. Let's make this happen. Push, push, push. The person on the receiving end of that, they don't like it. They just don't like it. If you want to get cooperation from people, be likable. Here's a hint. Begin in a friendly way with people.